Today's video flipped classroom lesson is over microeconomics, law of supply and demand. Cerebus portibus, and excuse me for any mispronunciation on this term. Basically, it means all things being equal. This is a key point for this law of supply and demand. Law of demand. Law of demand is defined as, with all things being equal, a change in price is inverse to the relationship of the quantity demanded. It basically means that with all things being equal, as the price of a good goes up, the quantity demanded will decrease. Also, if the price of the good goes down, the quantity demanded will increase. So remember, inverse means opposite. Okay, here's an example right here. All right. Basically, it means with all things being equal, as the price of the good goes up, the quantity demanded will decrease, as seen in the graph. You have P1 going up to P2. In that case, with it being an inverse relationship, quantity 1 will decrease down to quantity 2. And that basically will give you the illustration of how the law of demand works in this case. And the demand curve goes in this direction as shown by the D line. Okay, as I basically discussed right there, P1 price increases to P2, which results in the quantity 1, which is your quantity demanded, decreasing to quantity 2. This is the law of demand in which the price increases as the quantity demanded decreases. Again, this is an inverse or opposite relationship between quantity demanded and the price according to the law of demand. It basically means with all things being equal, as the price of the good goes down in this scenario, the quantity demanded will increase. So we're going to look at the diagram right here, and again you will look at your demand line right here. P1, which is your price, in this diagram decreases to P2, which results in quantity 1, the quantity demanded, increasing to quantity 2. This is the law of demand in which the price decreases as the quantity demanded increases. This is an inverse or opposite relationship between quantity demanded and the price according to the law of demand. Now let's focus on the law of supply. Again, with everything being equaled, the law of supply is defined as price has a complementary relationship to the quantity supplied. It basically means with all things being equal, as the price of a good goes up, the quantity supplied will go up. Also, if the price of the good goes down, the quantity supplied will decrease. The law of supply will go in the same direction. One goes up, the other one goes up. As the other one goes down, the second one will go down as well. So basically, it means with all things being equal, as the price of a good goes up, the quantity supplied will increase. Looking at the diagram, we see our supply curve goes in this direction as shown by S. P1 price increases to P2, which results in Q1 quantity supplied increasing to Q2. This is the law of supply in which the price increases as the quantity supplied increases. This is a complementary relationship between quantity supplied and the price according to the law of supply. It basically means with all things being equal, as the price of the good in this example goes down, the quantity supplied will decrease as well. And again, as I just stated, P1 decreases to P2, resulting in P1 decreasing to Q2. So we see right there, price decreases, quantity supplied decreases. Again, a complementary relationship between quantity supplied and the price according to the law of supply. This concludes our flipped video classroom lesson, Economics, Law of Supply and Demand.